Hello everyone, my name is Nkem Ago from the Montessori Home Education Academy. Today we're going to be learning how to do a 3-period lesson with our children to introduce new vocabulary. It's typically used in the Montessori environment, especially for language, but then even for other subject areas when we're introducing new words. So we're going to use 3 letters today. Notice how I laid out the letters from left to right, and I'm trying not to make too many movements as I do that so the child can focus on what I'm bringing out. This says Can you say and then the child can repeat So it's like humming the letter M because that's the sound it makes. And I'm tracing the letter so that the child can note the movement and also say the sound. So I would invite the child, can you trace it? Using the left hand to hold down the card, then tracing it with the right hand, if your child uses the right hand typically. And as they're tracing it, they're also saying the sound. So for the next one, this says ah. Ah. Can you try? Then your child will do the same thing. Again, using the left hand to hold it down and the right hand to trace. Ah. This says S. Can you try? And then your child will try. S. After tracing, the child would say the sound. So that's the first step. We've named the letters, especially the letter sounds, because that's our focus. We're not saying M, A, and S. We're saying A, and S. If your child is already familiar or already used to M, A, and S, then you may want to say, this is letter M. Letter M says But if this is the first time you're really introducing the alphabets to them, you don't need to say this is letter this. You just go straight to the sounds. If they are used to the letters, maybe from the alphabet song, you can say this is letter A. It says ah. This is letter S. It says S. Okay, so that's the first step. The next step is show me. So you can say show me S. And then wait a minute, see if your child shows you. If he or she doesn't, you can say this is S. Then you try again. Show me ah. You wait again, and then if there's hesitation or it looks like he or she didn't get it, you can say this is ah. Show me again. You wait, give them some time to think and see if they get it before you repeat. So when you do that, you can try one more time. If it looks like they're not getting it, there's no need to worry. Just don't keep pushing it. Just take a break and say, okay, so these are the letter sounds, and next time we're going to try it again. Anytime you want to look at it, you can just bring the basket to me and I'll show you the letters. If, however, they understood and they got it, they were able to say, when you said show me, they pointed, you said show me ah, they got it. The next one, you now move to the third step in the 3-period lesson. Remember, this is 3 periods. So you move to the third period. In this case, you're trying to you're trying to see if the child not only can recall which letter or sound is which, but can also say it out. That's forming the words, forming the sound with their mouth, right? So in this case, you say, what letter is this? Or what sound does this make? And then wait and see if they say If they hesitate or they can't remember, you can say You can now ask, what sound is this? And then again you wait. If it looks like they're not getting it, you can say ah. What sound is this? You pause as before. If there's look at that, but give quite some time. Don't be in a hurry. And then S. So you can now give them one more chance. Do you want to try again? If they say yes, if they say no, all done, don't push it. Remember, we are trying to foster the love of learning. This is not an exam. this is just probably the first time you're doing it. If they don't catch on, no worries. You can even try with something simpler. Maybe you can use orange, banana, apple. You can use something at home maybe that they like. Let's say they have toy cars they like to play with, or whatever it is. If they're not getting the letters, start with something more familiar. So um, let's say they have a red toy car, blue toy car, and green toy car. You can now use that example. Say, okay, this is your red car, this is your blue car, this is your yellow car. Second step, can you show me your blue car? And then they'll point. Can you show me your yellow car? They'll point. Can you show me your green car? They'll point. Then you can now ask, what is this? So I hope we all get the picture, and try this out with your kids. You can write these letters on a paper. You can print it out. I'll share a printable with us. Whichever way it works for you. Notice I've also used small letters here. Small letters are more frequently occurring, so you can start with single letters on a paper before you now combine big and small, whichever way it works for you. And I hope you found this helpful. Thank you very much, and remember to put your questions if you have any. Bye-bye.